Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to rename GitHub repo. So to rename a GitHub repository, open GitHub and sign into your account. Next, open your repository on GitHub. So once you're here, at the top, click settings. Now under general, you should see your repository name. So under repository name, click on it and enter the new name. Then click rename beside it. As you can see, it's now renaming. So let's double check it by going to settings. You should also see it in here. So you can see that the name has been changed. So GitHub automatically redirects most web and Git traffic from the old repository URL to the new one. But it's still recommended to update your local remote and any documentation, CI, or CD configurations, or external links that reference the old repository name. So as you can see here, we have changed our repository name. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.